Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where, yeah, I've had a bit of a craving for a baked cheesecake. So I thought I'm going to make one. I thought while I'm making one, I might as well make a video on it. So I'm just set up here with my food processor. I'm going to make the base first. So I've got 250 grams of milk arrowroot biscuits, the famous milk arrowroot biscuits, which look like that before I break them up, and that's just going to fit in my processor there. I'll grab the lid. Alright, once they've crumbed fairly finely, I'm just going to add 100 grams of melted butter, okay, so I've just got my spring-loaded cake tin here, and I'll put a layer of baking paper on the bottom. I've greased that, I've greased up the sides a bit there. I'm just going to dump my biscuit base. Now with a glass or a jar like I've got here, we're just going to start spreading that around a bit. Alright, once you've got that pretty well sort of spread out, I'm just going to put that in the fridge while we mix up our filling. Alrighty, like I say, I'm going to get on with my filling now. So to start with, I've just got 500 grams of cream cheese, which has been out at room temperature for a couple of hours now. I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of caster sugar. And I might just give that a whiz up before we add anything else. Alrighty, once that's whizzed up a bit, I'm going to add a few more things. Now I'm going to put in, I've got a tub here of sour cream, and I'm just going to use about half of that. It'll give it a nice little tang. And I do like a nice little tang, so I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon as well. I've got some mixed spice, I'm going to add a teaspoon of that, as well as a teaspoon of vanilla essence. 4 eggs. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, so I've just got my base there out of the fridge. Obviously I'm going to whack my filling in there now. We'll just even that out a bit. And just give it a couple of gentle taps like that. Now I've had my oven preheating to 150 degrees Celsius, so I'm going to whack that in there for approximately an hour or so. Alrighty guys, so I just pulled my cheesecake out of the oven there. It's been going about an hour. I just wanted to check it, and what we want to do is give it a bit of a wobble, and it's got a little bit of a wobble, which is exactly what we want. So I'm going to turn the heat off now, but I am going to put this back in the oven and just let it cool slowly in the oven. But using a bit of foil, I'm going to actually sort of jam the door open a little bit. So yeah, I'll do that now. Get it back in. And once that's completely cooled down, then I'm going to put it in the fridge. And you need to leave it in there for a good few hours. I'm actually leaving mine overnight. You don't need to leave it that long. 3 or 4 hours is enough, but just with my schedule, what other things I'm doing, work and stuff, my shifts, I won't be able to get to it, back to it tomorrow. So yeah, I'll leave it in there overnight. Alrighty guys, so here we are the next day. As you saw, I've just taken my cheesecake, baked cheesecake, out of the fridge. I've cut up a slice here and I'm just about to try it. Look, if you can hear music in the background, there's my town has a carnival this weekend, Carnival of Flowers it's called, and I'm near one of the big parks and there's live music going on over there. Hopefully I don't get a copyright strike. It's loud in my ears here, hopefully it's not too loud. Here, you getting picked up here. Anyway, let's try a bit. It's set beautifully. Let's just get a bit up close there. And I can't wait to try it. Absolutely delicious, absolutely as advertised. Just basic, simple, absolutely delicious baked cheesecake. And well, I'm going to sit down and eat the rest of that slice. Thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask that you hit that subscription tag, hit the button, that little notification tag, let you know when I upload new videos. I'm a shift worker, so I don't have a fixed schedule, so if you hit the notification tag, you'll get notified when I upload videos. Alrighty, I will see you all next time.